Walang-wala yan sa inihahanda ng Diyos na kaluwalhatian pagdating ng panahon. Kaya tandaan po natin ito mga kapatid, the trouble of today is temporary. For the Lord will turn our pain to purpose, our struggle to strength, our tests to testimonies, and our trials to triumph. Let us hold on to this truth mga kapatid. Ang Panginoon, mayroon siyang nilalayon. Mahirap man unawain sa ngayon, but let us remain faithful. Let us persevere. Let us hold on. Kasi hindi mo makikita kung paano ka iaahon ng Diyos mula sa iyong pagkabagsak hanggang sa iyong pagangat kung ikaw ay tatalikod at lalayo sa Kanya. It is only by staying and remaining faithful, persevering in the Lord, that you can see how far He can lead you from that brokenness to that wholeness, from that nothingness to the fullness of His love and mercy and peace and blessings beyond limits. Only if we persevere and we never give up. That's the God that we serve. Greater than whatever great problems we could ever think of. Let us settle in this truth. May katapusan ang mga paghihirap sa mundo, pero walang hanggan ang kaluwalhatian ng Diyos na inihanda para sa akin at sa iyo.